Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 15 ways to grow your net worth to 1 million. Let's get into the video. Today, we are diving deep into the world of wealth building with 15 proven ways to grow your net worth to a whopping 1 million. Whether you are just starting or well on your way, these strategies will help you get there faster. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, set clear financial goals. Knowing what you want to achieve is the foundation of building wealth. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having concrete goals will keep you motivated and focused. The second way is budgeting and saving. Next up is budgeting and saving. Creating a budget and sticking to it is crucial. It helps you track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and allocate more funds towards savings and investments. The third way is emergency fund. Do not forget to build an emergency fund. Having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up will protect you from unexpected financial setbacks and keep your long term goals on track. The fourth way to grow your net worth to $1 million is paying off high interest debt. If you have high interest debt, prioritizing paying it off. Credit card debt, personal loans, and payday loans can eat away at your finances. Start with the highest interest rate debt first and work your way down. The fifth way is to invest early and consistently. Investing is a powerful wealth building tool. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Be consistent with your contributions. Whether it is in stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. The sixth way to grow your net worth to $1 million is diversify your investments. Diversification is key to managing risks. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries. This reduces the impact of a single investment poor performance on your overall portfolio. Number seven, take advantage of employer benefits. If your employer offers benefits like a 401k match, make sure you are taking full advantage of them. It's essential free money that can significantly boost your net worth over time. The eighth way to grow your net worth to 1 million is educate yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of finance. Continuously educate yourself about investing, personal finance, and wealth building strategies. Books, podcasts, and online courses can be great resources. The ninth way is side hustles and passive income. Consider starting a side hustle or creating passive income streams. This can provide extra cash to invest or pay down debt. Side hustles like freelancing, blogging, or selling online can be quite lucrative. The 10th way is real estate investment. Real estate can be a fantastic way to grow your net worth, whether it's rental property or real estate investment trust. Property investments can provide rental income and appreciate in value over time. The number 11th way to grow your net worth to 1 million is stay mindful of taxes. Be mindful of taxes. Property tax planning can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Consider strategies like tax efficient investing and taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. The 12th way to grow your net worth to 1 million is by continuously increasing your income. Do not settle for stagnant income. Continuously work on increasing your earning potential through career advancements, salary negotiations, or pursuing higher paying job opportunities. The number 13th way to grow your net worth to 1 million is to keep lifestyle inflation in check. Watch out for lifestyle inflation as you earn more. It's tempting to increase your spending. While some indulgence is fine, avoid unnecessary expenses that can hinder your savings and investments. The 14th way to grow your net worth to 1 million is regular review and adjust your financial plan. Your financial plan isn't set in stone. Regular review and adjusting it to align with your changing goals and circumstances. This ensures you stay on the right path to $1 million. The 15th and final way to grow your net worth to 1 million is to stay patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and discipline. There will be ups and downs, but by staying committed to your financial goals, you will eventually reach that $1 million milestone. So there you have it, folks. 15 tried and true ways to grow your net worth to $1 million. Remember, it's not about overnight success. It's about consistent effort and smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.